The next tool is the scale entities. We have the sketch from previous tutorial. So imagine if you want to scale this sketch, drawing by drawing it with a smaller scale or bigger scale, it will not be easy to make all these sketches. It will take some time to draw that manually all the time. So you have, for this reason, the scale entities. Expand the move entities menu. Here you have scale entities, where you are able to rescale your entities. So let's first Control A, select the entire sketch, okay, or Control A again, scale entities. We have the entities we want to scale, they're all selected here. Scale about, we need to pick a center point. For scaling, let's make this point a center point, and the scaling, let's make scaling to be 2 times bigger. And if you check copy, it will keep the original sketch. So let's check copy here, and you notice here you have the copy, and also you are able to make instances from that. So we have now, you see the bigger scale shown, and click OK. So we have the original small sketch, and then we have the bigger size sketch. Let's Ctrl C to undo, and let's try the other way to make a smaller scale. Scale entities, let's make 0.5, half the size, without checking the copy. Let's select the center point. You can select it somewhere in the space, and here you have your smaller sketch. So this is rescaling for the half size of your sketch. Also, you are able to rescale some part of the sketch with the same idea.